কোচবিহারের দিনহাটায় এসে পৌঁছলেন রাজ্যপাল সিবি আনন্দ বোস। তিনি এসেই গতকালের ঘটনাস্থল পরিদর্শন করলেন। সেই সময় কোচবিহারের জেলা পুলিশের আধিকারিকের সঙ্গে কথাও বললেন। কি ঘটনা ঘটেছিল এবং কিভাবে হলো সবকিছু নিয়ে তিনি জিজ্ঞাসাবাদ করেছেন। সেখানকার সাধারণ মানুষের সঙ্গে কথা বলেছেন এবং তাদের পাশে থাকার আশ্বাস দিয়েছেন রাজ্যপাল সিবি আনন্দ বোস।
I have come here with a specific purpose. Dinghata wants peace. Dinghata deserves peace. Dinghata will get peace. For quite some time, in Bengal, at least in some pockets we see, election has been reduced to a battle between the might and the right. That should not happen. We cannot allow violence to play any role in deciding the course of the election. We should put down violence with a heavy hand, with an iron hand. That is what is going to be done. We know there is nothing called their violence and our violence. Violence cannot be justified in any way. And two wrongs, even if they are mutually contradictory, will not constitute one right. We will stand together against violence in election. This is a continuation of my humble effort which started during the Panchayat election. Violence could be brought down considerably during that time. This time we will not allow violence to take place at all. There will be zero tolerance of violence in this election. Here is the beginning. We have to stem it here itself. Stem the rot here itself. That is the purpose of the message. I am very happy that the people of Dinghata are joined together. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. We have come together, we will keep together, we will work together till violence is coffined and the last nail is driven deep into that. There is zero tolerance of violence in this election. Election should be fought with the ballot, not the bullet.